Hi Marcus, my name's Jessica Olson and I'm hoping that this video with me explaining my challenge is going to help you to help me. So your first question is you're wanting to know the name of the course. So I think you're asking the name of the Edynamics course. So that one is Personal Psychology, EDL 001. And so what I've done, it's already in, this is just a sandbox course in Canvas. And so the way that I was taught was to go to import content, select Canvas export package because it's already on my computer. And I guess I will show you just so that you have it. So I've got, there's two psychology classes. I'm only picking from the one that I showed you. I've also got sociology, which I haven't started on. So anyway, so I pick one of those. It's been imported. I will show you that the entire eDynamics course is in my Canvas sandbox. Okay, so you already see that. Now, here is my trouble. When I go into, actually, I will give you one where it's exact. When I go into the Unit 2 quiz, this is in the sandbox, hitting preview, the questions are there. Okay, so then what I've done is in my actual class for second semester that starts here in a couple of weeks, that course shell, I have imported specific modules from my other Canvas sandbox. So the way that I do that, copy a Canvas course, I choose the name, I do select specific content, and then I bring in very specific modules because I'm not going to be using all of them. The way that they end up, so once again, this is Unit 2. I did import all of Unit 2. I took a few things out, so don't be alarmed. But Unit 2 is right here. I have my own, few own things that are also in there. And, oh shoot, hold on. Oh, I put them up here. So I've already retitled it, but this is the same exact one as this one. If I preview this, 15 points, 15 questions, there's nothing here. And when I went to student view, it looks exactly the same. I can go take quiz, and there's no questions for them to take. So I'm hoping that isn't too crazy long of a little video explanation, and I hope that I explained it in a way that helps you to understand and then to help me. Thanks, Marcus.